Hello everyone, welcome to another DailyJim. This is the episode for Tuesday, June 4th, 2024. I'm going to call it the sniffles keep on sniffling. And I've had somewhat of a sniffling cold for last week or two-ish. I was traveling so much, was on projects, didn't sleep much here and there, new places, and it's just lingering. I don't think it's COVID. I didn't have any cough, didn't have any loss of sense. I probably should have tested, but I don't know. It's just, it's it's just hanging in there. And it's amazing how something like that can really impact our days. I wanted to talk about something heavy and political, and I think sometimes if we don't take care of our body starts shouting at us, and it's hard to pay attention to the other things. So I want to make this one a really short one, partially because of that, but also just I'm tired. So I'm just going to do this short. I'm going to end it right now, actually, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.